Hello, welcome back to Shabes Online Tutorial. If you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel and also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Shabes Online Tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to write a differential equation in a normal form. And the question on the board read, write the following first order differential equation in a normal form. Mind you, a first order differential equation can be written in a normal form, and the normal form is in the form m open bracket x comma y ds then plus n open bracket x comma y dy is equal to 0. So this is the normal form of first order differential equation. So the question really, we should write these two differential equation in this form, which is normal form. So let's get started. So the first one is 4x dy over ds, then which is equal to x minus y. So the first thing we are going to do, you'll be looking at this normal form to make sure that this differential equation is in this form. So the first thing we are going to do, we are going to multiply ds to both sides of this equation. So we multiply ds, then also ds, so that you see this ds will cancel this ds. So in the left hand side, we have left with only 4x dy, which is equal to x minus y ds. So the next thing we are going to do is to take this term to the left hand side of the equation. So we're going to have 4s dy. Remember, this is positive, is going to be negative x minus y ds, which is equal to 0. So if you look at this normal form, m of x comma y ds then plus n of s comma y dy. Ds came before dy, but in our own we have dy before ds. So therefore we are going to rearrange this term so that it will be in the normal form. So first of all, we bring the term with ds. We are going to have minus x minus y ds, then plus, remember this is positive, plus 4s dy, which is equal to 0. Now we can use this negative to expand this bracket. Negative multiplied by x is to give us negative x, and negative multiplied by negative y is going to be positive y, then ds, then plus 4x dy, which is equal to 0. So if you look at this differential equation, is in the normal form. So the first one, so this one will be represented as my m of s comma y, and this one is n of s comma y. So this is how to write a first order differential equation in a normal form. But remember, it's only when the differential equation is in first order that is where it will be easy to write in this form. So let us look at number 2. Number 2 says 6sy dy over ds and plus x squared plus y is equal to 0. Now the first thing we are going to do is to eliminate the ds. Then we multiply to have ds. Then also this one is multiplied by ds, then ds. So this ds is going to cancel this ds. So we are going to have 6xy dy, then plus x squared plus y squared ds. ds is equal to 0 multiplied by anything is still 0. So if you look at this first order differential equation, is in this form, but ds came before dy. So we are going to rearrange the equation. So this one will come first, x squared plus y squared ds, then plus 6sy dy, which is equal to 0. Now if you look at our normal form, m of x comma y is going to be this one, m of s comma y, then and this is going to be n of s comma y. So this is how to write a first order differential equation in a normal form. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Also follow me on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram at Shabes Online Tutorial.